Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the financial markets. In this episode, we are going to talk about the various types of financial markets in the world. So, let's get started. In the previous videos, I explained to you what the financial markets are. And I said the financial markets are various markets where buyers and sellers come together to trade financial instruments or assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, and real estate, among others. These markets play a crucial role in the global economy by facilitating investments, providing liquidity, and price discovery. And so today, I want to talk to you about the various types of financial markets in the world. The first market I'm going to talk about is the stock market. The stock market is a marketplace or platforms where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. And an example of a public company is Amazon. Major stock markets include the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, among others. Stock markets are vital for companies to raise capital and for investors to buy ownership stakes in businesses. And one thing you have to note is every country, I believe, has its own stock exchange. Next, let's talk about the bond markets. The bond market is a marketplace where bonds are sold. Bonds, however, are debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, and corporations to raise money. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer in exchange for regular interest payments and the returns of the principal amount at maturity. Bond markets include government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds, each with different risk and return profiles. The commodities markets. The commodities markets are marketplaces where raw materials and primary products are traded. These include markets for precious metals like gold and silver, energy products like oil and natural gas, and agricultural products like wheat and coffee. Commodities can be traded physically or through futures contracts, which allow investors to speculate on price movements. Next, we have the forex markets. Forex or foreign exchange markets are the largest financial markets in the world. Here, currencies of nations are bought and sold in pairs, like the US dollar and the euro. Forex trading is essential for international trade and investments, and it operates 24/7 across global financial centers. And some of the major financial centers or trading hubs include London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. The derivatives market. The derivatives markets deal with financial contracts whose value is derived from underlying assets like stocks, bonds, commodities, or currencies. Some of the common derivatives include options, futures, and swaps. Derivatives are used for hedging risks or for speculative purposes. Next, we have the cryptocurrency markets. These are digital markets where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are traded. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized network using blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency markets are relatively new, but have grown rapidly, attracting both investors and regulators' attention. The money markets. The money markets involve short-term borrowing and lending, typically for periods of a year or less. Instruments traded in money markets include treasury bills, commercial paper, and certificates of deposit. Money markets provide liquidity for the global financial system and are crucial for maintaining financial stability. Last but not the least, the insurance markets. The insurance market involves the transfer of risk from one party to another through insurance contracts. This includes life, health, property, and casualty insurance. Insurance markets provide financial protection against various risks, contributing to economic stability. And the last one, which is the private equity and venture capital markets. Private equity and venture capital markets involves investing in private companies. Private equity focuses on mature companies, whilst venture capital targets startups with high growth potential. These markets are crucial for funding innovation and driving economic growth. And there you have it, a comprehensive list of the various financial markets around the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful contents like this. Thank you.